practice one. So we're going to start with the base. I'm going to identify it first. So that's my triangle. So the number on the side is going to be my height. Start by finding the area of the base. So we're going to do our 1/2 BH. So I'm going to do 1/2 7 times 8. So 7 times 8 is 56. And then I'm going to half 56 by dividing that by 2. Then we get 28. And then I'm going to times that by my height, which is 10. So 28 times 10, which is 280 feet cubed. Okay, so going down the next one, identify my base. That's my triangle. The number left is going to be my height. So since it's already done with the m squared, it means just to multiply them together. So we're going to do 28 times 20. Which is 560 meters cubed. All right, so for this next one, so again, find our base. There's our height on the side. So we do have an extra number. It's a number on the slant. We do not use the numbers on the slants. So again, just mark it out. And now we're going to solve. So we're going to do our area of our base first. So that's our 1/2 BH. We have 8 and 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. Cut it in half is 12. So that's our B. And then we're going to times it by our height, which is also 12. And 12 times 12 is 144 centimeters cubed. Okay, so look at the next one. So again, find our base. There's our triangle. The number on the side will be our height. So we'll find the area of our base first. So we're going to have to multiply them together. So we have 6 and 5, which is 30. And we're going to half it, which is 15. And then we're going to times it by our height, which is 12. So 15 times 12, which is 180 centimeters cubed. Okay, so I'm going to go up the page now. So again, when it's already done, when there's just two numbers, we're multiplying them. Okay, so there's our base, there's our height. Then again, this one's already done when it says the little squared. So we're going to do 40 times 9, which is 360 centimeters cubed. All right, so going up, we have more than 3 numbers, and so that means one number is not going to be used in this case, which is your slant. So we get rid of our slant, which is our 7. So there's our base, a triangle. There's our height of our prism. So the 6 goes for the height of the triangle. So I'm going to find the area of my base, which is going to be 6 times 4 is 24. Half of it is 12. And then I'm going to times it by my height, which is 12. And 12 times 12 is 144 centimeters cubed. Okay, so this is a different looking one than we've done so far. So again, the numbers on the slant, we get rid of them. So you see how that's slanting, that 20? We're going to get rid of 20. So find our base, which is our triangle. So the number on the side is going to be our height. So we're going to find the area of our triangle first. So we're going to multiply 16 times 12. Which is 192. And then I'm going to half 192, which is 96. And then I'm going to times it by my height, which is going to be 10. And that's going to give me 960 centimeters cubed. Okay, so again, find our base. There's our base. Remember, we do have more than one. I'm just identifying one of the bases. So we have 3, okay, and you can see 6 is over here. So 6 is also going to be on this side of the triangle as well. And then the number on the side is going to be our height. And what we've noticed, hopefully, is that your height has been mostly on the side of the figure. So we're going to find the area of our triangle first for our base, our big B. which is 6 and 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. Cut it in half, which is 9. And then we're going to times it by our height, which is 8. And 9 times 8 is 72 centimeters cubed. Okay, so your homework will be just like this. You're going to be solving for volume of triangular prisms, and then your answers are on the bottom, so mark them off as you go.